Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about one of the real-time issue we have faced in the project, which is about the cost center validity extension. So like I have one cost center KS03, like this is the cost center. Okay, so it is valid from 1st January 2023, but for some reason user want to make some posting. For some reason user want to make some postings in the fiscal year 2022, select 1st Jan 2022. So then system will not allow, because this cost center is valid from 1st January 2023 only. So you cannot make a posting before this date. So if you want to make the posting before this date, then we need to extend this validity date, right? Okay, so for that we go to in the change mode, and we will try to change this date. So how you can change? You go to analysis period. Okay, and then here also if you see, it is the same date, valid from 1st Jan 2023 till all the years. So but here we don't get any other options, so we have option to other period. If I give other period, say like 2022, and if I want to give from 2020, then I'm getting this error: new analysis period must not exceed maximum period limit. So this way we cannot extend the period. We can extend in the future, but we cannot extend retrospectively. We cannot make the backdated this date. So then let's go to display again. Now what is the way that we can extend this cost center? Other thing, the profit center which we have assigned here, this profit center should also be valid from 2020. If you want to extend this cost center from fiscal year 2020 or whatever date it is, the profit center should also be valid from that date. So first of all, let us check the profit center. What is the validity date for the profit center? So go to K53. Here also we can see the profit center also has the same validity period. It is also starting from 1st Jan 2023. First thing, we need to change this validity for the profit center. So for that we go to change mode, and let us go to edit, change validity period. So we will be able to change validity for the profit center in this way, but we were not able to do in the cost center. Okay, I have just changed the date, and now I will activate this. Now go to display the profit center, and now we can see now it is valid from 1st January 2020. Okay, so let us close this and go to cost center, but we are not able to change the validity from 2020. So let's keep this screen as in the display mode and go to the new screen. Go to KS01, where we create the cost center, but this time we will use the same cost center number, but the date should be valid from January 2020, and the end date, two dates should be like date just before this date, which would be 31st December 2022, right? 31st December 2022, and this is already from next day, it is started from here, 1st January 2023. So now press enter, and we will fill in the same information there. Okay, so before saving this data, I will show you in the table also, like what is the change we can see in the table. Press enter. Okay, so I have not yet saved this, so go to the table SC16N CSKS. This is my controlling area RN00, and I want to give the cost center I0002, execute. So if you see here, valid up to this date and valid from 01/01/2023, and here you can see when this profit center was created. Okay, now if you go to the display mode and if you see in the environment change document for the cost center, so we can see what are the changes has been done, but there is no date for the validity period, right? We have only for the lock indicator. So okay, just keep this in mind, and now I'm going to save this cost center with this validity period. Okay, save this. Now let's go back and display this cost center. Now we can see it is valid from 1st January 2020 till all the years. And if you go to the environment, you don't see there is any change, right? There's no change document, or there is no change recorded for the validity. Now if you go to the table also, just refresh, so you can see this data has been changed, but you don't see when this has been changed and all. Right, so that is just for the information. There's no importance of that, why we are checking this. But ultimately sometimes this may confuse you that when this was changed and all, right, when this date was changed, by whom it has changed. So we don't see that record, but ultimately we are able to extend the validity for the cost center. Okay, this was a little bit tricky because we can't do in the change mode or display mode or any other way. So this is the only way. We go to KS01, which is like cost center creation T-code, and there only we need to extend the date. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this helps you, please do like, share and subscribe. Alright, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.